Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Zoom app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Zoom app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Zoom, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. And once you're on the website, next, I want you to select this. And then you will now see the download app button right here. Just go and click it. And after that, you will now be directed to the downloading page of Zoom. So just scroll down a little and then you will now see the latest version of Zoom you can download. So just select any bit version here depending on your device. In my case, I will choose the 64-bit. And then your Zoom installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then your Zoom installation process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Zoom app installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your Zoom account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.